What's our camera?
Because I'm in video you eating a piece of that vermicelli or okay, eat a piece. Let me see you. Let me watch you. You're supposed to put it in your own mouth. Alright. You got it? Was that good?
Yeah. You're not taking a picture?
No, I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video.
Why?
Because it's funny when you eat that. Are you being silly, girl?
No.
Let me see your mad face. Let me see your happy face. Let me see your sad face. Let me see your angry face. Let me see your cute face. I love you.
I love you too. But this is right here. You cannot right here.
Okay. I'm blowing you kisses.
Let's get cannot right here. But had these when he was a baby.
Yeah, Bubba had those when he was a baby.
No, I like these.
You gotta try this chair. I can't hear my brain.
Bubba had these when he was a baby?
Yes. And he ate it just like that.
Oh, I can't really see me in here.
Do you want to buy?
Oh, no, thank you.
It's good.
Okay, I'll take a bite. Thank you.
In the ball pit. Yes, I am. Okay, then.
Take. Do you want to? These are good.
I know.
But Bubba had these when he was a baby.